From smart home essentials to futuristic devices, get ready to discover the next level of innovation. There's a lineup of exciting Amazon products waiting for you. X-Infrared T2 Pro Thermal Night Vision Monocular for iPhone, the revolutionary kit that transforms users' smartphones into a potent thermal imaging monocular, is the X-Infrared T2 Pro Thermal Night Vision Monocular for iPhone. Designed for hunters and landowners dealing with hog incursions, this cutting-edge gadget can detect creatures from 400 yards and beyond, which makes it a priceless asset for both nighttime stalking and wildlife monitoring. However, the iPhone 15 is not compatible. The T2 Pro Thermal Monocular will enhance users' hunting experience. It has an amazing detection range of more than 1,500 yards and makes pre- and post-shot scans easier with its infrared outdoor core and smartphone bracket installation. Acclaimed by more than 100,000 hunters, it has evolved into a vital instrument for target identification and field tracking. Take in everything that the T2 Pro's amazing thermal imaging powers have to offer. Thanks to infrared core technology, a 15x zoom lens, and an adjustable focus lens, users can recognize things up to 400 yards or more away with its detection range, which exceeds 1,500 yards. It's perfect for identifying game or possible dangers because of the sharp, crisp visuals which improve your field situational awareness. The X-Infrared T2 Pro Thermal Night Vision Monocular for iPhone can help you hunt more effectively. CVV Tweezers Precision. With the CVV Tweezers Precision, a tool made for unmatched accuracy and long-lasting durability, experience precision at its best. These tweezers have an exceptionally tiny and accurate tip that closes fully to give a secure and long-lasting grip. They are unique in that they are made entirely of one billet that is CNC machined with extreme accuracy, giving them a significantly stronger, more resilient, and robust design. These tweezers are indispensable for a variety of uses. They are more than simply a tool. They serve the demands of construction workers, gardeners, first responders, outdoor sports fans, and campers equally, and are ideal for clearing splinters, trash, thorns, glass, and metal. The CVV Tweezers Precision are made for demanding jobs in difficult settings. Warm tips. Although these tweezers work well for a variety of tasks, personal grooming is not their intended purpose. Users should not use them on their nose hair or eyebrows. They can enhance their toolset with the CVV Tweezers' accuracy and durability to tackle difficult tasks more effectively. Cospit Smartwatch for Men. Presenting the Cospit Smartwatch for Men, an incredibly feature-rich gadget that aims to improve everyday life. With the strength of an outstanding Bluetooth chipset, the Tank MI Pro surpasses the capabilities of traditional smartwatches. It makes it easier to make and receive phone calls and lets users play music straight from a compatible smartphone. This function guarantees a more succinct and intelligent contact without the difficulty of carrying a cell phone, making it ideal for sports and daily life. The smartwatch is built with a sturdy metal casing and unique composite materials, and it is put through extensive testing. It passes hundreds of standard tests, covering everything from temperature and low pressure altitude to dustproof and salt spray. With its military-grade robustness and durability, this fitness watch is a trustworthy outdoor partner. This Android smartwatch is fully sealed. Thin case is made to resist harsh environments. Tests including crushing, drilling, and hot steam scouring have demonstrated its robustness, and it is waterproof to a depth of 50 meters, 5 ATM. This sports watch can withstand harsh conditions since it is made to function in high temperature and high pressure settings. With its touchscreen functionality, Cospit improves users' daily lives by enabling simple navigation and rapid access to key features. Mistimate Mist Pro. Next up is the Mistimate Mist Pro, your go-to battery-free, reusable, non-aerosol portable mist cooler. Using a straightforward formula and human power, this inventive device provides on-demand environmentally friendly cooling, air pressure plus H2O plus Mist Pro 3. It's quite easy to use the Mist Pro. Users can just fill it with water, extend the bottom part to create a pump and start misting. With no need for batteries or throwaway aerosols, this little gadget offers a sustainable cooling solution while balancing portability and environmental responsibility. Not only is the Mist Pro a lightweight, sleek, and portable cooling gadget, but it's also a reliable travel and adventure partner. This mist cooling system offers a pleasant touch to outdoor sports, hiking, gym visits, and other outdoor pursuits while keeping users cool and comfortable. The Misty Mate Mist Pro's lightweight construction and effective misting features makes it the easiest thing in the world to remain hydrated while working out. If you enjoyed this journey through innovation, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe.